proposing a public-private partnership to construct a dam through hydropower in order to solve the problem of electricity in the region of Kigoma, which is located northwestern Tanzania. Kigoma is facing a adequate lack of electricity. So this dam, if it's built by the private sector, it should be able to supply about 44 megawatts of power in the region. And there is this which have to be allocated both for the major risk should be shared by the government, because it is the so responsible for the development of the local people, and the private sector will highly be involved in the management and the supply of the electricity in the region. This is important because currently there are no initiatives which are being set by the private sector in producing electricity in the region. And it is important that the nation has recently launched the public-private partnership policy. So I hope that by involving the large part of the private sector from within Tanzania and abroad, the problem of lack of electricity in the region, as well as in the neighboring countries, will be reduced and actually solved by having a hydropower system which has to be constructed at the Malagarasi River.